Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, in my opinion, still should sell off further, and I think it now starts to come together because with a projected sell-off on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, not necessarily a bearish sell-off, but just sort of going deeper into support, Doge could do this now as well, and the overall projection here would still be for Doge to break down lower in this third wave of a fifth wave. Then we should get a fourth and a fifth of 5 to complete overall the bear market structure, maybe in the next few weeks or couple of months. So at the moment, I have a hard time to identify a bullish breakout pattern here to the upside. It is, of course, possible. In the end, anything is possible in these markets. It's not so much a question of what could happen. It's more a question of what should happen. And there is, of course, a possibility that we've bottomed already. It would be a 1-2, 1-2 setup. And we should now, however, rally. But also the latest rally was really only in 3 waves. Yeah. Very corrective. That gives the impression that this move up here was just a 3-wave move, which topped on the 1st of November. And any rally here was really just in 3 waves so far. Yeah. And therefore, I have still a short-term, at least, bearish perspective about Doge. But I also gave you the level in previous videos above which, so if the price goes above that level, I would change my perspective. And that level would be above 14 cents. Yeah, because at the moment, I primarily view the top of the 1st of November as a 4th wave, and we're now coming down in the 5th wave. It is, however, very choppy price action. Okay, very, very slow, sloppy, difficult price action, very difficult chart to read at the moment. But yeah, because I see this as a move 1 down and the wave 2 up currently in the making, maybe already complete, the basically not invalidation point, but the point where the wave 2 here gets very unlikely, and that is also the point where I would need to take a more bullish perspective, that is above 14 cents. We're not there yet. And we've now been moving around the 8-cent level for a while. But I also need to communicate always that Doge can sort of pump out of the blue. Yeah, you get these pumps and dumps. All that needs to happen is a quote by Elon or something, like a tweet or something, or whatever, change the Twitter logo or something crazy, and you start to see this stuff go off and come down again. And until it's really a sustainable breakout, and until we really see 5-wave rallies instead of only 3. My view will be still short-term bearish. And most recently, we reacted here to the resistance that I gave you for the wave 2. It actually reacted to the golden ratio and sold off quite impulsively. So that would rather be a confirmation that we're now in a 3rd wave of a 3rd wave. Even though also here price action is not very typical for a 3rd of a 3rd, it should come down much more impulsively still. But we need to keep an open mind here. Again, until we break above that 14-cent level, for me the focus is on lower. Very short-term resistance is of course the previous swing high here at basically 10 cents. 9.5 to 10 cents. 10-cent level anyway is a psychological resistance level. But overall sideways action for me, trend is still down at the moment. But it's not very clear because it's just moving sideways for now, short-term. But the wave structure does not give us a high confidence long trade setup at this stage. Okay, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.